G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo. Great to see you all again. So, Sunday, me fundy, I had to go down to the local hardware store. My supply is closed because it's the Sunday fundy and I needed to pick up some little bits and pieces for my home project. I wasn't wearing my super tradie outfit, so he thought I was just the average Joe's, pardon the pun. Lo and behold, he starts giving me his advice, and this Galah had no idea on how to build anything to standard. If you are a home handy person and you want to do it right, then research it properly and don't take the advice of Galahs at places that have no idea how to do the job in the first place, let alone start passing on bad knowledge. Remember the 6 P's. Proper planning prevents piss poor performance, and do it right the first time. Stay awesome.